This is how dirty my suspension looked before I made a modification to fix this. In this video I'll show you how a mod that costs less than 100 rupees will save your rear suspension. This is an engine flap or a front tire mudguard flap that is easily available in any of the automobile spare parts shop, and it costs you less than 100 rupees. So here I'm going to use that here. I'm making some markings here so I can drill the holes. Now we'll open the bolts that connect the mudguard to the bike. This whole mudguard is connected using 4 bolts. 2 are under the seat and 2 are below. So in this way I could remove this whole thing. The flap I bought was a little bigger for my bike, so I cut it into the right size. Then I drilled holes into it so that I can use the bolt to connect it to the mudguard. So this is how the final setup looks like. So I ripped the plastic mudguard apart, and then I have fixed the rubber flap using 2 nuts and bolts, and now I'm going to put it back into the bike again using those 4 bolts, 2 under the seat and 2 close to the suspension. And there you go, that's how the modification looks now. It's completely done, and as you can see, the suspension is now protected from all the dust, debris and stones that fly out from the tire and any dirt or any such particles. After installing it, I took it for a test ride. I did hardcore off-roading and my suspension was unharmed despite so much of dirt. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video interesting and informative, hit that subscribe button and follow me for more.